ala tukumbanisye ni vamwe na
Kalikoya ala ingi mbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni kwenye kaite sika loku chama cha Wiper kienda kinewe ibinda chumi mwamulo yuluwa mwali ukwela mekiwe mbungeni iyo. Unena ni amuvyo kukonia wani o ilovia siya kaunti siya mwaka ukite kukosi wa mbungeni ya Senate majenda maudhu kumionde alama ati ukiwe mavadhi wa ilovia. Munini wa gavana Masaku Francis Mwangangi enda miao yati wembewa kukuna muungudho osya wa mukuka ku kaunti ya Mombasa yambi ya kampeni ya kukitana vya sala u. Na kuiseso ya kumbani ya mathiko mandwa na ama mwingi alama no iwe Garissa silikali niende kaithini kiovunguluwa mugo isione i.
Wilingi wa maovo.
Ni na udho cha ingi tunengewa ni wakuyulua maovo maitu kwa isla mutandao wa Facebook ni Mutongo TV kana utuandike utumani mukuvi kwa isla ile 3 kenda imwe 5 tuambia maovo maitu maovo tuendeye kwithiwa tuikumbanisia makonetie kuatiania na maovendu kwa alama nekiwe muthinyani wa kwambililia ni chama cha Wiper mbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni kwi umundi undu uuni wa vikasi kaloni sia mbunge vala spika wa mbunge umia utui wa kunenga ngalikoya ala aingi kwithana siekalo utui ula wanenganwe kuyana na miao ya valua ula watumbithwa ni mwandiki munene wa chama cha Wiper Shakila Abdalla ayenda ma MCA ma chama ki kwamba kunenga chama evinda enini kunenga ne muungamo wo otau utalo munene wa ma MCA ni matangasa utongo yuomo na ndi livotrende kwithwa tuikombaniseo na twithwa tunengeleria yo otusongete nambe mwandiki twa mavo kuma kaunti nesu Caleb Chalo ni wende kwithwa aimovanga tuisonga nambe tuikunikila mavo kuma kaunti ya Mombasa vala serikali ya kaunti ya Mombasa ni atangasa kwambisia kampeni ya mithenya 10 ya kuleana na kulikana kutewa kwa mukuka vala mekwithiwa maithiuka isioni kumathuthia na kumavundisia enendi uthoku wa utumii wa mukuka kampeni yithiwa itwaiwa kaunti-ini cionthe cia kiswani vala makwatianite kuikithia kana ni maliana na mukuka kuyana na munini wa gavana kaunti ya Mombasa Francis Thoya itambia yeyeuka itina wa President William Ruto kwithiwa aivuthisia kukumana na ndongo isia kiswani kukonia mukuka vala mawetakana mayetikila ona vanini kukumana na minista wa uimi Mithika Linturi. Angelina Museno kutunengelelia livotie kwa uliku.
Munini wa gavana va kaunti ya Mombasa Francis Thoya no kuwetakana kampeni eyo kaitina President William Ruto kwithwa ate kukwatia kukomana na ndongo isia kiswani kunena nsi tambe yo ya kuliana na muguka vali kampeni ya methenya 10 makwithwa maithiuka isioni kumathuthia enenthi amwika na ciana cia skulu thuku wa kutumia muguka na niki mailete kuliana na guo kulika nthini wa kaunti cia kiswani memwamba.
Watu wetu wakikataa kula leo wakisema tu hawali muguka story imeisha. Hata ukaenda mahakamani ukafanya nini, at the end of the day it will just be stories. So tumegundua kwamba we need to get to our people. Tukiwaelimisha ni kama mtu unaenda kumwambia usile sumu itakuua, si ataacha, tajua ni kila taniua, si basi. So we believe if we focus more to create awareness on the effects of muguka on our people, watabaki wao huko Embu na Meru wakila huo muguka na Miraha.
Campaign ina ile kwithwa yitwa iso nthini wa kaunti cionthe cia kiswani yithwa yosania mawoni ma enenthi kusukumiswa kwa lulo kwa crop amendment bill ni kana kumya muguka na Miraha mumea ula walete kuikwatwa ni enenthi.
Mimi nashangaa, kwani kuna lazima gani tule muguka? Hii lazima nini? Kuna mtu lazimishwa kitu? Wewe umesema hutaki, sasa tuambiwa lazima mtakula. Na ujue how a government can be insensitive. Kiongozi wa serikali anaambiwa hii mmea unawadhuru watu mahali, anasema naenda kuongeza pesa huko. That is the highest level of insensitivity. We did not expect it will come from the highest office in this country.
Ni matula motiva nene serikali kwithwa yitwa iso sikalo cia mwanya na ndongo cia Embu na Meru kukonia muguka na kutia itina ndongo cia kaunti cia kiswani vala Thoya watula mutindongo cia Embu na Meru kuoneka ila asimithia mukuka kulika kaunti-ini cia kiswani.
Serikali kuu imeamua kutupuuza. Imeamua kufanya nini? Kutupuuza. Rais ameshakutana tayari na watu wa Meru, wa Embu, na jana amekutana na watu wa Meru. mahali mugoka unatoka. Sisi ambao tumekuwa tukingoja tumeonekana hatuna maana. Sasa tumesema hakuna shida. Serikali kuu haitaki kutusikiza, so tumeamua swala la mugoka sasa si letu tena. Swala la mugoka sasa ni la wakazi wa Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale, Tana River, Taita Taveta na Lamu.
Kavindani kaundongo ini siawetekana yiti kila na vanini kutoa siasikalo na minista wa Minaindo Mithika Linturi kunena nse kilingi isiki ateo President William Ruto amete kikaloni newe mwene ngilivotea vilingi wa movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Tuisonga na mbele na mathiko ma andu ana kuma mwingia uthuiloni wa sua alama no iwene andu matesikie kuya Dadaab kauntini ya Garissa ni mavikie kwithiwa mayendea na kuvangwa misi ya andu aya cia kana mana isi andu mavata muno misi niyo ni kwithiwa nimo manasomethasya ciana na kukwata mbau misi maundu ni kivathukanio ingi maikulia serikali kuislamu vya wa mugu wa nthini niki uvungulu wa mugu elembetani ya yulu ya nthi ya Kenya na kusima na imama ila inatwa isi kiko kini mauvo mambanicho niwe na Musangi.
Nito tambuka misini kivathukanyo na vala mivango ya kuthumusiana alama na isi mathayo mo itina wa kuvithukiwa na kuwa kisioni cha kuya Dadaab ni kauntini ya Garissa yendeye na vala makwikwatiswa kuthiumusia umishoni wa wiki u
mutumia ucio anandie nzeve mutumia wakwa na ni wana tutethea ithive weru na thukuma wikwaje witu ne iwe na nona ndiana ciana ile ciana ici cikwenda soma na mahitaji mamwe citwina mo mengi pio ane endethesie.
Alex Mutuku ni kana kakwa ka keli kwa kusiao
nako kana tusukuvi mutumia wakweta wa Alex Mutuku Mutemi ulona ndiye nina ciana inya na kangwete inati wako kena mirinya tatu awana iwe kwatio hako dina na iwe kwatio angi ina uyanita ana uo
misi kivathukanyo ya tutiwa ni maweta tamena ukono munene na vala ciana icio cikwatitwo muno misini kuo na muno kavindani kalama na thukuma mawe ya mami yako ilembetani yu ya Northeastern.
Mwana wakwa niwe mwana mukuu na mwana wakwa kuma na mucia nivina niki nake muno baka kubika utwarika managira na mutwaye skulu amina kilasi 8 na mutwaye skulu naona mathina la twainamo na mia mama ndikwendea na kusoma nenda ninga thukume kenda tutetheanisie tuone kasi ana ingi no citonye kusoma na namwia obutinda ni wale akusoma no atia bisi sukulu ambia mama kanga thukume nina mulekile na ikuthukuma mwana wakwa ni tunatetheanisia muno na nuna ndetha cio no mwana otetha cienya ona na mutabiata nuna mbiwa nundu nina wana we sukulu kukwenda bisi nuna ndethecia bisi na nundu gukwitu kukamba twithiana nzambingi muno kila kwigwa kana kukakwa nake obutinda twinake kana ambia mametelanga na kwata kindu ningutumia
ni kumana na kivala makule serikali onduma na andu mangoya ula umavikie kulikila na kuikithia ni matethecia misi na ila yu yachiwa ni endwa mo na alama na mekwatitie muno
na ni wangu mikite na unikulia serikali nundu nyekana kukakwa nikandie mangwate kwoko nundu nindiwe na ciana ingi ci sukulu na ndikuwa notethio ongi ni nawo mbe wabu matendethe
ni kuja kwati serikali endethesie kuondone tonyo kwata aki ya mutumia ucio wakwa na kusomithia ciana isu nundu wikwaje wakwa rila ciana isomithia twinake icio cikethwa au ni witu
kenda ndu itonyo tetheka kuya itethwe
Tony mathingilila kana vena vata munene wa serikali ya katiko ikithe useseini wa ilangwa na muno kabindani ka enenze ala methe wa mavikite kisioni kiiko thukuma mavithukia wanakuwa wa mivango ya siathi cia kuma cia anala manavikia kwa semathayo mo kisioni cha Dadaab ni kaunti ya Garissa wakatano muthelu itina wa kuvithukiwa vandu vala manathukuma no yende na valayu ene misiala mavikia kutiwa ni endo mo mavikia kukule serikali ikithe ni alulumilia muo na muno isioni cia Northeastern ondo mana kuikitha kana ni mavikia na kuthethe so kemikalile report ya vlingo mauvo kuma wodi na chomethana mwingi othelo ni wasua kaunti ni Kitui ni Lina Musangi.
Tuisonga na mbere kunikila mauvo kuma kauntini ya Masaku ni uvucho munene kwi enende isioni cia matungulo kauntini ya Masaku alame thiulugite kima cha Oldonyo Sabuk National Park na kithitwe na unyamasyo mwingi kumana na enende kwithiwa maivithukiwa ni nyamu cia kithekani na indi MCA wa wodi ya Cheleni na Ulani Grace Bahati Zora yu ni wenda serikali nene kuislamu vya wa KWS kuikithia kanani kia mivango mielu kuiva enende kumana na nyamu ila siananga liu na ngetha ya enende ta malaika tiwa ingi kuma kimani ki ainena kanane na ki kavindani kana wakwatiania na maofisa ma KWS kuma Oldonyo Sabuk vamwe na makivu na thukumi kuma ofisini wa mujumbe wa kiliumbunge ta matungulu kwa muthenya wa keli kunenania na kwithukisya maoni ma enende yulwa mulati ula huvaniwe kwambia kwikiwa wiyo thini wa kitheka ki livoti umbanitwe niwe Boni Mutesia.
Msia Grace Bahati watakana ni tambia ye kwithwa nune kumunene kwi mwene nthi kwithwa ingi manyama itu ni nyamu cia kithekani vinda ya saa walusilikali kongelela matambia ngi ta kuiva enende la manange oli uo ni nyamu ta malai kwithwa mundu amwe ta mate wala nyowa kuiva enende la manange o malio kana indo cio ni nyamu cia kithekani
no munthi twina utanu mwingi pio kwa national government kwiselovisi wa mheshimiwa witu mheshimiwa Mule na wa KWS park ba Oldonyo Sabuk kwa nitwethiwa na participation ya kwikia park kisioni kitu kwa miaka mingi kisio kitu ikitwite kwa indosio kwa nanga mionda lakini umundi nitwendete twina utanu tando mabanza ambani sub location Cheleni ward kumana sindu isu ni sienda sinzi yeyu nitukwatete utethio ula ukuka kwikia fence 22 km ku make sure nitwenda tutena the wildlife and human conflict kisioni kwa huu nitukulia bado kwa serikali twese the Human and Animal Conflict Act ila the bonde utele sia muno ku compensate ndo la mekuwa ni ngule na nguruwe mwitu nisiye kulika muno miondane na yana ngali utayuto ntwe wandomeo complain mayasia mai maketha kendo kwa hiyo tukulia serikali kuislamu vyane wa mbunge maitu masisi ba umarekebisha wesethia andala mekwa nangewa maliumo onamone maviki yako compensate wa sasa tangule nisiye kwika madhara manene lakini kwa oyuto inotano kwa uya ola mekweka
na enende medameno tanu kituminundo nitwithitwa na thina mwingi pio na musia kithekani kuya ulu yili kagumiondani itu ikananga maleu na muikoka ikana ikaya indo situ no mundi twetha twa kikishwanisha serikali kuu kana ni kwikya wiyo electric fence kwa kilomita 200 na ile kenda sethi thina usuna twapo kwa kuma yuni wa thela
yuhenda mwinga kuimile kwa wingi kukwatia ni nthini wa sesola ikethwa itethwa ni serikali nene isesola ikirelo ni cha kunenga nthi mawia nthini wala witho ithukumwa wa kwikia wiyo kima kiki nyamu cia kithekani
na ndikulia kwa wiotho wina wikika ba Cheleni nitukwatia ni muno na ndo ma KWS na tukamakulia ma make sure ndo maitu mamuika kisioni ki ni mabikia kukwata mawia kwa kila ndo no kulia kwa muika ithumilie kwa wingi na twanengwa uyothu ni twithumie kwika na ngoi mwanundu uyo twa kuna nesa no ithie tutethia na tuyuka twi ready kulana oso mawiyatha angiala meo masoma au ya ndano engineer nini ukaimusisi ondo tutona kwika ndondo no learning experience na uyo no wiso bakwati attachment kwa uningo muthuthia mwithumilie kwa wingi
Kivu munene wa Cheleni Dominic Musau na kimenda enende kukuna alivoti kwa metuki la nyamusio kana miundeo ya nangone nyamusi ya kithekani no kana maandikithie na kuatia mitalala ya kuewa ni serikali nene ila makwata wasio
andwala metha matona kuewa ng'ombe sio kana liuo kana ngome ndani maripoti ya immediately kumilela maofisini maitu ma administration na wildlife na polisi na itu yoselela kenda tuandika report yesu kenda compensation process yithiwe kila kingi uyola utejwa bana uya mwingi itokulia wanarika wetu wanjitokeze ili waweze kupata kazi.
Ndolangi kana makulu online ndina omokilia kwe serikali nene ni maundola matonya ukwata na mautejo kana milati letonya kuma kimani giki nyamusi ya kithekani tamaskulu malelu masvitali kati wa maundwangi.
Wale ambao walikuwa wanatengeneza management plan, ile proposal yetu ya kuweka gate hapa Zambani inakubalika na wananchi, so hatukukosea, sivyo? So mimi ningependa kuhakikishia ya kwamba gate itakuwepo hapa na nyingine itakuwa upande ile mwingine wa mito Itetani.
Dine Masaku Matungulu Cheleni nyeni Tawaboni Mutisia.
Nendi tuisiokethia ila livoti tuambie nayo ni yaua na yavya yikonetie kwa tiania na mauvinduku alama nekiwa mwenyani wa iyo ni chama cha Wiper mbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni kwe umundi undo uoni wa vikasi kaloni sia mbunge. Spika Mbilo ayumia otui wa kunenganenga liko ya ala aingi kwitha na sikalo otui ula wa nengano kwa tiani na miao na valua ula watumwa ni mwaniki munene wa chama cha Wiper na ulani Shakila Abdalla ayenda ma MCA ma chama ki kwamba kunenga chama ivinda inini kunengane muungamo otau utelu wa ma MCA yani matangasa utongo iwo mweo Kisungi wa Katete aki kana ayosa mwanya wa ndongo ya ala aingi mbungeni ino nilivoti yake Caleb Chalo.
Woni goma ondo me ile muthanyani wo mundi usie kalone sia mbunge ya kaunti ya Makueni. Honorable Kisungi wa Katete kalile kivila cha ndongo ya ala ingi ulotu ye mwanyani usu Honorable Chalo Mumu MCA wa Tulimani akiunga mote ndolo tumia membo mu ambunge no akikulia kitumi chake cha kuungama kando na valoso ngiye na kwasha kana mwanya wake ni wosi we.
I am standing because I found my seat occupied, a seat that is designated for the leader of the majority party, Mr. Speaker, and it is not common, it is not the habit, Mr. Speaker, so I am wondering why that disrespect.
Ndio na vamuna uspika wa mbunge no Douglas Mbilo no lasimikio kumukulia Honorable Chalo Mumo kwa samwanya wake vila kingi na Chalo Mumo la lasimikasi oke kuitina.
Chalo Mumo take any seat
utongo imwe na MCA macha makecha Wiper makeka thoti wa speaker ulowetie kanande na mwanya wake katiba wa kutangaza utongo yumwe indi ni utu wa chama.
Number 20. We need from him 8, and I want to repeat. So as follows. A member elected under paragraph 7, whether majority leader, deputy, majority or the deputy, may be removed by a majority of votes of all members of the largest party or political party in the county assembly.
Members of Wiper party in this house. And they are all seated here. Out of the 24 members of the Wiper party, we have 13 members out of 24 who have preceded or who have gone ahead to surpass the 50% plus 1 as stipulated within the standing order number 20. In this context, Mr. Speaker, it would be very interesting that our whole speaker cannot be able to differentiate between 11 and 13 who are more.
We have lived as orphans in this house, Honorable Speaker, because of selfishness of one person who wants to live on his own and live on his own. He is the only leader in this world. He doesn't know that he needs to discuss with fellow leaders on how to lead a party, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this constitution of the party is very clear and we can't debate about it. Honorable Speaker, the standing orders are also very clear. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. We have taken up the party and the majority leader, Kisungi wa Katete. He is my deputy. She is the whip. And he is the majority leader for this party. So, Honorable Speaker, a party a letter wrote by the Secretary General. Well, we are going to handle it there. If there is any, if there is any, Honorable Speaker, don't be worried about the letter from the Secretary General of our party, because that one, leave it to the party owners. We don't have a problem with that.
Valoilo kwatie umwe kuma kweula otwe majority whip Magdalene Molwa na ungekuma valave olosa kwiweta majority whip Joyce Mwende ama eleke itumisyo sya kwithame mwanyani usu kana kulea na kumwe mwanyani usu valua wa katatu wekuma kula kwe Secretary General wa chama cha Wiper Shakil Abdalla akuletia memba mambo kungamya ki na kwete lotu wa chama methana muvutho yokite yukela kielele twene moloto kuma kwe utongo wa yulu wa chama cha Wiper. Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Maovo.
Ende musese livoti su yake Caleb Chalo kuma ko yaka untini ya makuene yithe wetu twandini wa udiomo wito wa mbetu sio kethia twina Maovo wangi kauta ala tukumbane ndo kadi basa.
Tene uyaila isi kuona usimunga andu mabanda makesa uketha mbua hiyo kuo kwa wingi
ni maundu mebala tutonya kwikatwa kwata kiu cha kwimambo
pe maundu maingi wa mbe wila isi pe tutila twe wa moko
maliu alameka nesa ukamba yu ona maimi na mbua imwe kasila katwa sete keisa utungokelia ba kana tuika ile u ithimba ya imi
thina yu bawitha ne establish kana ciambo kwata lakini ona cia kwata ukaokethia ni cia twa miba sana kuma kwina thina muno
bumango ni cio ndu ndinzo ri fiber ri ndinzo ila uya ri mbali cio na ri moyo muno yembe yake ri ta wa Kent na ukaokethia ni nene na wiye ukethia wala ri mwene weania lakini yu ndinwa ya Apple ni wizama yinu no ri na moyo
ithi ala tuikwata cia wimi tanzia nene ya kumanda bia yoe twetele ibinda ya ile kana tuithike ndinwa wimi wake omonde tuuthuke na ikinya leo ya nema
kutachonde bandu wa imwe ninyo
no what at least lump sum there is kana kiucha dina maana monza kana chedi na maana tatu en
kimo wewe
ndukiane
kimo tono tata mbesi na
list ni maana tatu kungayana depending on wito wacho
lakini ila nenukie nyenuru nayo weyani ila nenukie ninethiwe na masama usija siendo syakwa etha ni ng'ombe inengiwe liu nesa iya yumiata
niwe ukuamua nundu uu ni wasia wa muimi ni kila wakatatu kwambia saile na ndatika miongo ena sia wiyo winake Steven Mwema pa Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as skiza tune.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him and He will make all your paths straight. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones. Amen.
Dial *811*464# to get Proverbs 3 verse 5 as your skiza.
Mundu losa kuwa yembe timwini mundu wa wiyane ona wa munenga yembe yeba manyula nayo uone tabe musina kana itinga yesi lapo usu ni mundu wese nesa kana umanthi ndwichenga maundu mesi tekweta na nonginya mundu akaliuka na ebinda
kindu taki kenda passion alafu sainge talanta
imbunde asia mundu
Vundi asiata mostly nyanda yangu atama kiwia with ya ni so green yani maino man so ni nende ya from mundu lo tena utena kosi ingi kana mundu tekitoke thene na muvundi cia kuma mundu na ketha ena wendi
kondwa kwekethia ni wakwata cha kwitweta obamwe na kuiva maelo kila twaile kumanya ni kana vaiwia utewa kwiyonea ethwa ni wetae vaita ikia vitivyo maunduni maku
Wambia tu mangomboka hebe kwa
yutu ebuti bonenge nonie uyosu inyako ndete na gono uya maseo panenda kikomba kainga uomboka kuma binanyi
kilobi
maluga la matemange ngoko ngasuya amobe ya by that time toba onengolo ngolo
ala matemange ni meba
tumeta katakata
fluency kana eka komwene kila kenda akeke for example nyina pushiwe nando kweka procurement lakini baadaye nesio end kwitha ni baba
na ndukiatikile kutulwa ngoni ando niwe wisi vala umete na kula wendete komana nake Steven Mwema kilunguni cha wea ne wea kila wakana kwambia saa 12 na dakika 40 va Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Ni na udho chengi nthini wa vilingi wa mauvo tuisonga na mbere tuikunikila mauvo makonetie unenania muvyuni wa kusiwa kavindani kaki kaloki mwana cha maseneta cha kunenanisia mutalatala wa wania wa mbesa cia kaunti nthini wa mwaka ukite wa serikali nthini wa bajeti ye kimanza shilingi bilioni maana ana katono imwe nisio ivadhiwe kuaniwe serikali cia kaunti vala maseneta makulia serikali nene yekithia kana maudhukumi onthe alama atiukiwe ki katiba ni manengwa ilovia cia uthukumi na ilovia i cia kaunti kunengano ite kuselegwa mwandiki wa mavo kuma musini wa Ilovi Benjamin Mwaka etwelesya mbeange.
Bunge ya Senate kwa monde ni avitukithia kimanza cha shilingi bilioni maana na katuno imwe kila kithwa kithiani wa serikali cia kaunti kuungamia uthukumi serikali ni nthini wa budget yukite nthini wa kikaloki mwana kwa monde maseneta ni makathi ya kuongeleka kwa Ilovia ii vala mathingilela vata wa serikali nene kutio cha maudhukumi onthe ma county na mathiati cia mbesa cia mauthukumiano.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the formula takes into account the following parameters contained in the third basis formula: population 18%, health index 17%, agriculture index 10%, urban index 5%, poverty index 14%, land area index 8%, roads index 8%, and basic share index 20%.
It is okay today that we have come from recess to appropriate money to our counties. It should be okay when next week or the week after we go to those counties to find out how this money that we have sent to the counties is being utilized without there being any problem between senators and governors.
Senator wa Makueni Dan Manzo, Agnes Kavindua muthama wa kaunti ya Masako na Enoch Kiyombo wa kaunti ya Kitui ni maweta vaingwa kitumio na maudhukumi elima vata uemi na sekta ya witi maende kutongwe kuma serikali ni akati kwa kuvikia umundi maudhukumi alao the maileitha moko ni mama governor.
I see the county of Kitui, Mr. Speaker, is among the top 10 counties that are receiving quite some share of the equitable share from the Senate. And as a national government appropriates for national government, the Senate is appropriating for counties.
The biggest problem, Mr. Speaker, has been health and agriculture. A lot of functions are still held at the national level, Mr. Speaker. And for that purpose, Mr. Speaker, it is important that we encourage the government to fully devolve agriculture and health.
The counties are paying the doctors, they are paying many other things and buying the medications and building new hospitals here and there, and yet the funds are not enough. And so I request the national government to devolve more funds on health and agriculture.
Kwa wasio mama seneta ni menda Ilovia isia wa serikali isia county itiukwe ite kuselewa nongana kuikithia maudhukumi ma budget ya serikali sia mitiuko maina kwama.
We have a treasury in Kenya
that is only serving the purposes of the national government and nothing else. They don't listen when we make the necessary noise for counties to receive their monies on time. When we pass the schedules here, they don't listen.
My county of Nairobi is getting an additional 850 million shillings in terms of their equitable share of revenue. And I will later be bringing a proposal here, Honorable Chair, that I'll be making an amendment to the Sports Act. I want to propose that these counties must be forced to allocate at least 1% of the money that we send to them for the support of registered county sporting associations. And my governor will have no excuse because now I have given him an additional 850 million.
Na kuangaliko yake munini wa mwene kivila zamani ya mbunge ya Senate ya Kinandu Senator Molote Mwandu Tabitha Mutinda. Duenda serikali isi ya county inenga mustali wambe kuyomathie yani pending bills mbala oingi county siya kulio siekase ndino kolanywa kotwa musi yani on source revenue. Nokana kuende siya maendeo vate kuvingi seka.
What I want to urge the different county governments is to focus not only on development, but also on the animal called the pending bills animal, Mr. Speaker. This has been there for the longest. Our people are suffering. We have given monies to the counties. Governors are not paying. They are playing politics.
I saw Governor Kangata sharing an idea on how they've collected a lot of money in Murang'a County as own source revenue, and request our county chiefs to also look at that in as much as national government is sending money to counties, let them beef up on their own sources of revenue so that we supplement those efforts collectively and steer this nation forward.
Vilingwa mauvo kumava county ne ya Ilovi. Nye nita wa Benjamin na Mwakam.
Tuisongana mena ke munini wa musume kumandi ya Malawi na ulani Ndakitari Saulos Chilima nutangasiwe kutiwa nithayu enando angikenda amatiwe nithayu itina wandekela yimakwite muthenyani wayo kwa na kuvaluka kimani cha Chikangawa endi President Lazarus Chakwera nutangasie umundi ta muthenya wa kumeta kwa ndi ya Malawi. Chilima ena muvango wa kukitia kivila cha upresident mwakani ukite ndini osa kwa ni wandi ya Malawi wangili ile miongo ile na itano livoti sio kona nyana ndeke hii kana siona ni ndeke hii valukile kumana nanze kwithiwa yindu kunda kitali Chilima hatiwe ni thayu ena miaka miongo itano na umwe elekele kuangamia serikali mathikoni ma umwe ula wa maofisa thini wa serikali nene kana wa minister serikali niyo na ula ni Raf Kasambara ndeke hii yumete kisione cha Lilongwe yelekele mzuzu.
No survivors, as all passengers on board were killed on impact. Words cannot describe how heartbreaking this is. We feel helpless because we know that the people who perished in this tragic and terrible accident could have been any one of us. And we feel helpless because a day like today reminds us that one day, and any day, death will in fact come for each one of us, and we will be powerless to stop it. That aircraft is an aircraft I have myself used on similar trips. An aircraft that others had used just the day before. And an aircraft that the crew had just operated successfully just hours before. Dr. Saulos Klaus Chilima was a good man, a devoted father and husband, a patriotic citizen who served his country with distinction, and a formidable vice president. I consider it one of the greatest honors of my life to have had him as my deputy and counselor for the past 4 years. And his passing is a terrible loss to his wife, Mary, his family, his friends, his colleagues in the cabinet, and to all of us as a nation that found his leadership and courage a source of inspiration.
Na ke mwaka wake President Mwandu Rachel Ruto ni wawetaka mutalatala mwe wa uiti kana Social Health Insurance Fund ni kutethesia enende aingia yumia ukulyo kula kuyenende makwatianie kwa ilia mutalatala na ulawi na utethi munene kwa Rachel ni wakathi ya uthukumi wa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwa kuyumilia kwika mawaluku muveani wa uiti na ala hukuweta kana nimekutethia namba nene ya enende ni wawetaka kana mawaluku nimekutethesia vanene kwisila utumi wanzi ya siya matuku kana technology.
The national government bottom-up economic transformation agenda, BETTER, has listed healthcare as one of the key pillars towards the responsibility of our nation. Our national healthcare journey has been long, expensive, and sometimes out of reach for many Kenyans due to geographical barriers and income disparities across the country. Kenyans have consistently requested that healthcare services be the most desired public service. This is a significant step in realizing the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto commitment to achieving universal healthcare coverage by integrating technology for healthcare delivery and fully functional primary healthcare mechanisms, including preventive, promotive, curative, palliative, and rehabilitative services. We urge the residents of this county to embrace the rollout of the Social Health Insurance Fund, which will see all Kenyans access quality health care without exclusion, in line with the policy of leaving no one behind.
And the Social Health Insurance Fund, Your Excellency, the very best thing that has happened is because we have 3 funds in it. One is called the Primary Care Fund, yenye itashughulikia the hospitals, the dispensaries, the health facilities zenye tunaita level 2 and level 3. The other one is the Social Health Insurance Fund, ile tulikuwa tunaita NHIF. And now we have the Chronic Illness Fund. Mamangu akiwa nyumbani, ama mama zangu wale wako hapa, akigonjeka, and the disease is a long-term disease like cancer, mambo ya dialysis, tunashinda kwa WhatsApp sahi, tukichangia kila mtu, everybody will be treated. If your card for social health insurance haifikishi pale, then we have a fund called the Chronic Illness Fund.
Naine musiesia muthiatu ikunikila mesa itu ya mathao vala timu wa Harambee Stars ni umadro ya vathei na timu wa Ivory Coast. Nini wa mathao ma World Cup qualifiers nini wa ithao ilaya thaukiwa kiwanzani cha mathao cha Bingu Stadium, National Stadium kila kindi ya